On 15th October 2022, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, in the presence of the Minister of Community and Rural Development, Hamletson Dohling, had laid the foundation stone of the Lawsohtun Multipurpose Indoor Stadium. The sanction for the construction of the stadium stands at rupees 8 crores, of which rupees 4 crore has been funded by Khelo India, while the balance of another rupees 4 crore has been sanctioned from the state scheme.
Friends, today, this very long pending demand and a project that has been very close to the Honorable MLA's heart. Today we are able to lay the foundation stone after the sanction of rupees 8.7 crores that is being sanctioned for this project, where majority of the funds, 50%, will be coming from Khelo India, Government of India's program, and the rest, 50%, will be coming from the state government's budget. We are hopeful that the work also for this stadium will start very soon. In the last 4.5 years, in spite of the challenges that we faced because of COVID and the time that we lost in the meantime, in spite of those challenges, a large amount of work has gone in to take our state forward. And sports and youth issues have always been at the forefront for this government. Whether it is the sports policy, whether it is a youth policy, whether it is the Meghalaya Games, which had not taken place in the last 17 years. It happened twice during the time of this government.